9702 paper 1 variant 2 by June 2020. Two balls X and Y are moving towards each other with a speed of 5 meters per second and 15 meters per second respectively. They make a perfectly elastic head-on collision and ball Y moves to the right with a speed of 7 meters per second. What is the speed and direction of ball X after collision? So here it says it is a perfectly elastic collision. Whenever there is a perfectly elastic collision, so the speed of approach is equal to the relative speed of the approach is equal to the relative speed of separation. So the relative speed of approach means both are going ahead. So both should be positive, right? So 5 plus 15 is equal to the relative speed of approach separation, which is x, and we'll take it 7 because they are separation separate. So this is 20 minus 7 equals 13 is direction. So it is 30 meter per second.